Searching using subject headings. When searching the library databases, using subject headings is a great way to increase the relevance of your results. Unfortunately, it is not always easy to know which subject headings to use for a particular topic. It might take some trial and error to figure this out, and regular keyword searches can be a good starting point. Let's try this in E&H Search. If you were looking for materials about the U.S. Civil War, you might start with a simple keyword search for Civil War. This search returns almost 7 million results. Many are on topic, but as you scroll through this results list, you will also see items about civil wars in other countries and the Marvel Comics Civil War series, among other things. If I were to click on a result that looks to be particularly relevant to me, like this book in our main collection, it will take me to the detailed record. In the detailed record, there is a list of subject terms, words or phrases assigned to this item that best describe what it is about. One of the subject terms here is United States, History, Civil War, 1861 to 1865. If I am interested in exploring this subject heading further, I can click on the text. This will bring up a results list as if I had searched directly for these terms in a subject search. You can see that my number of results has decreased from several million down to a much more reasonable number. All of these titles should be directly about the U.S. Civil War, with none of the irrelevant titles from our previous search. If you need help using subject headings and searching the library's databases, please come see us or contact us for further assistance.